The Third Amendment to the United States Constitution is one of the lesser-known amendments in the Bill of Rights, but it has an interesting historical background. The text of the amendment reads, "No soldier shall, in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law." Historical context. The Third Amendment was a response to the British quartering acts before and during the American Revolution. These acts allowed British soldiers to stay in private homes without the homeowner's consent, often at the expense of the household. Colonists viewed this practice as an invasion of privacy and an abuse of government power, which became one of the grievances leading up to the American Revolution. Modern meaning and significance. Although it directly addresses only the forced housing of soldiers, the Third Amendment represents a broader principle: the right to privacy and protection from unwarranted government intrusion in the home. Today, the Third Amendment is rarely invoked because the circumstances it addresses, soldiers being quartered in private homes, do not commonly arise. However, the principle underlying the Third Amendment has been cited in some Supreme Court cases that concern privacy and limits on government power. For example, it has contributed to legal arguments about the right to privacy that are more directly protected by other amendments, such as the Fourth Amendment, protecting against unreasonable searches and seizures. Meaning to people in the United States. For Americans, the Third Amendment reinforces the idea that the government should respect personal property and the sanctity of one's home. Although it's not frequently cited in legal cases, it stands as a reminder of the founders' commitment to limiting governmental overreach and protecting personal freedoms. In a broader sense, it contributes to a foundational American value: the right to privacy and personal autonomy within one's home.